So I'm going to show you in this video how to work with a newly added ancestor to your Find My Past family tree. Now I'm, as you can probably tell, British from my accent, and my DNA test with Living DNA came back as 100% British, so I've been using Find My Past because I understand it to be the best family tree for British ancestry, and I don't expect to find anyone outside of the British Isles, so I'm going to keep using it. But let me show you the kind of workflow and a little bit behind the scenes with Find My Past. So in a previous video I found a Reese Christmas, and you can check that out on my census searching technique, and I've just got him here. Now in Find My Past, when you add someone, you'll often see hints. Now sometimes it might take a little while, a couple of hours for these to come up. In this case they came up immediately, and if I click on them again I can see the hints. Now I've already been through and added one or two of them, but if I click on the orange icon here, you can see these hints then pop up, so I get a nice overview. Equally, if I go back into here, view the full profile, I can see these hints again through here. Hints here, hints here. You can see it's really trying to direct you to that. Actually, this is the view I normally use for working with the hints, and if I scroll down, this is what I can see. So I've got Reese Christmas, who was born 1805, Llanorda, Carmarthenshire, Wales. Now that was the bit I added before, just confirming him from a search, and you can see the icons. Okay, that's clear, it's a death, it's a burial, etc. And then these are the icons for the censuses. You can also flick over into grid view. Personally, I don't get much from that. I prefer the icons, but whatever works. And you can sort them by relevance. Now again, I'm pretty sure these are him. There's be one or two discrepancies as why it's only 75% relevance, but let's have a look at the first one. So if I click to review and I scroll down, I can view the original transcript if I want, but I'm pretty happy this is okay here. Now this is interesting. It does say that the birth was 1800. Now previously it said it was 1805. Okay, now I'm not too sure about that because the census had him down as 35 in 1841, so he should have been born around then. Now those early censuses, how accurate are they? Don't know, but I wouldn't expect them to be 5 years out, so maybe I'll have a look at the transcript and let's see what comes out. And it takes me in to this text view of it. Now from there I can copy to the clipboard if I want to take that detail, and I can view the original record here again, so I think I'm gonna have to for this one. And it opens up. Okay, in this one, not great. I can't even see it immediately. Aha, here we are, Christmas, and it says he was 78 and he's from Llandovery. Okay, that doesn't tell me much. If I come back, that's a little bit of a conflict. Okay, this is one of the funny things about Find My Past. If you press back, sometimes it jumps out of your search, so I use the back button in the browser. It's a bit better. Don't know why that is, but anyway. Alright, I'm just gonna have to go in here. I don't know what that is with Find My Past. It's one of the things that is just really weird. And here he is again. Okay, let's just view the hints. Okay, so let's take it from the bottom census, or the earliest census record. When you see it says birth 1806. So if you're happy with it, and I'm much more happy with this one because there's not that 5 years discrepancy, I'll press the yes next step. Now you've got the option to update all, but I can instantly see something here that I'm not sure about, so I don't like this. Alright, so if I do 1806, that's better. However, Carmarthenshire is the county, and you can see here I never overwrite when I've got less detail with something that's got more, so I'm going to leave that. And then what I can do is simply push these across to save them on his profile. So if you did the update all, then it would just do a full wipe. Now it doesn't, you can still revert, you can just press the back button if you want to get rid of one, but I like to do that in that sort of way. Okay, so now for Margaret, I don't know anything about her anyway, so other than, yeah, she was the same age, and that would figure, so it's 1806, and I'm pretty happy with those. They all tally with what I already know. Daughter, Jane, okay, great. Elizabeth, that makes sense. And these are all from the census I've seen, so I'm pretty happy with these. and save to my tree. And so you can see how I'm working with these, and from there you can just build out, and you see I've added those other people, then it will give me hints and so on. So if you want to check out Find My Past, try the free trial. You can check out the link below this video to help support the channel. Also give this a like if you found it helpful in any way. I'll try not to hit my mic next time. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.